Many students in the Washington County School Districts have a special library card that you may not know about.
It's called the Student Library Card. It's provided by the Washington County Cooperative Library Services. It functions similarly to a regular library card.
What can you do with this card?
You can check out 5 physical books or audiobooks.
You can also check out 15 ebooks or audiobooks on Libby.
A really great use is to add the number to your school Sora account so you have access to all the youth books in the WCCLS catalog.
WCCLS has a lot of awesome services that you can get through this card, like the Brainfuse tutoring service. You can chat with a credentialed tutor about most school subjects, and you can even send your papers in and get comments back on it or get any test prep help.
Other tools include Mango Languages and LinkedIn Learning, which has online tutorials on all sorts of subjects.
If you come to the library and you aren't sure if you have this card, you can go to the service desk to find out.
If you're not sure whether or not you have a card, you can try to check out. Here, I'm going to click check out, enter account number, and then since I'm in the Beaverton School District, I'll put BSD followed by my student ID number. Other school districts around the county follow a similar pattern for their library cards. You'll need a password, which is the last 4 numbers of your student ID. However, once you start using the card, we recommend that you change it. So come to the library
And use your new library card.